Welcome, in front of me I have REALME 6i, and today I'll show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. And first, you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for the display and the brightness. I mean below for the home screen and the wallpaper. And when you are here you have to go below to personalization and click to set wallpaper. We can go for the static wallpapers or our own photos. I'm going to use static wallpapers. And for example, I'm going to pick this photo. Click on it, tap agree to accept permission, click to set as, and then choose set as a lock screen wallpaper. Tap on it and take a look right now. When I lock my smartphone and unlock, wallpaper has changed. And that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.